How to fix you can't use this feature right now in Facebook login problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Facebook report a problem, or you can directly go to report a logging issue and go to report problems with logging in, and here you will find this option. You can either tap and include if you have and have a screenshot of the problem, but if you don't worry, simply go to don't include, and then what you will have to do is select your profile or anything and then write, hello team, I am facing login issues in my account, and then simply write down your email address and then send it. So rest is on Facebook's customer support. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.